A film blowing machine with a top configuration. You must not have seen it. Let's take a look at it today. Maoxin 1000 high-end version of single-layer film blowing machine. Automatic suction machine, metering weight, intelligent monitoring of the grammage of the film. 15 kW for P high efficiency, energy-saving motor, frequency conversion, speed regulation. With fixed air blowing, the air storage pressure is large. High-quality cast aluminum, double-tier air ring. The air volume is uniform and stable, and the cooling effect is excellent. Automatic heating of the die, high-precision independent, temperature control equipment. Real-time verification and monitoring are controlled by algorithms. Realize automatic with control, automatic air replenishment, and exhaust correction of deviations. The whole machine has a high degree of automation from feeding and film blowing, monitoring, winding, real-time automatic production.